Here, Bubba. Give her another one. Give her another one. Let it move and she'll eat it.
I got
No,
one.
pull it to you a little bit.
Me?
Yeah, pull it to you a little bit where she can see it move.
Here. Okay.
Back that cat up, Connor. Give her one that moves. Hurry up, Connor. I'm recording it. Don't record very long, Bubba. Mm-hmm.
This is my brother feeding my bearded dragon some mealworms.